Hello everyone, just wanted to do a quick video really just to say what's been going on, because I've been a bit lethargic, I should say, on posting videos recently. That's been down to a couple of things. Other work commitments that I can't post on YouTube, and the fact that I've been having a big sort out in the workshop, and really I just didn't want to take any film footage of that because it's a bit boring, a bit mundane, me just shifting shit about basically. But getting there with that. Hopefully I'll be getting a bit more space soon. We're putting a few more bits and pieces of machinery in that. I've got some bits and pieces for Christmas that I bought myself. The cheapest ER40 collet set on eBay, and I'll be doing a test on these just to see what they come out like. So that's the set, and it comes in at about 75 quid, which is like nothing. So if they're half decent, then they'll be worthwhile. Nice little box too, and collet holder, which I think comes in about 20 quid. So we'll do a run out test on those and find out how good they really are. Amongst the things that have been going on that I've been dealing with, apart from a big tidy up, and this has partly prompted it, is the fact that I've bought quite a large amount of tooling. Any and everything from this nice little Bernard chuck, which if anybody's got a chuck key for one of these might be interested, because it might be in the selection of stuff that I've bought, which is just piles and piles of stuff, but I haven't seen it anywhere. And I've got a complete collet set. I don't really think it's been used to any great extent. It does need a little bit of a clean up, just very slight surface rust. So that's something else that I'll be showing a video on. But I'll be going through all the bits and pieces that I've purchased, sorting out. Some of it I'll be selling on because it's realistically no good to me. But that'll be in a future video. I'll give you a quick rundown of some of the drawers here, and very quick look around the workshop, as it's getting tidy. It's not fully tidy, so don't expect too much. Right, well, this is the shelving. Got some bits and pieces here, some old tap and die sets up there. Just a few bits of metal. This is the toolbox for the milling machine, the toolbox for the lathe, my slitting saw, calipers, essential tools, burr removers, and that is a nice levelling platform for, well, the milling machine, whatever you want to call it, like a little axle stand basically. A V-block, which does need a clean up. I don't think I've ever used it, it's been sitting around. Another V-block which I picked up recently. They are the ER40 collets. I've got my drill arbor under there. Some projects that I've been working on that I haven't finished. Little toolboxes for drill bits in it. My little arbor press, which I hope to be getting rid of, because I really do want a large fly press. So the Bernard chuck, and I've got all the collets for it, and pretty much most of them are still covered in wax and fluff and you know, it all came in the cardboard box originally, and it was just all falling apart, but it's in pretty good nick, so it just needs a little bit of a surface rust clean up. There's my little Walco multi-press folder bender, and some little plastic wheels are made up for some of these drawers, which is going to be for some of the tooling as I sort it out, but some of the drawers, the little wheels are broken, so I printed a load of wheels off. Milling machine covered in mess at the moment. That's the new ER40 collet. Some other little projects I've been working on. These are little holders for R8 tooling. I might just show you that actually. So the idea, these little things will be mounted on the wall, and you can then just screw them up wherever you want to hold your R8 tooling. You'll be able to screw them up wherever you want to mount your R8 tooling on. Don't know if anybody's interested in purchasing any of them, but I've already modelled them up, and say they seem pretty sturdy. I haven't mounted any to the walls yet, but they all seem good. Keep my tooling in place. Not that I've got a wall. I've got that version, and I've got a taller version which encompasses the whole thing. But realistically, I think this version is probably going to be easier. It's a little bit smaller. Where are we? That's another bit of tooling that came along. Can't remember what's in there. So that's the milling machine pretty much all tucked in there with a lot of mess around it. So, quick scan of the workshop. It's getting there tidy wise, but it does need an awful lot of work. This cabinet here is what I purchased recently amongst all the tooling, and to give you an idea, any and everything from drills, I've got a huge amount of tapping equipment, absolutely masses of it, so there's probably not a thread that I can't cut within reason. As you see, I don't think I will be hanging on to that drill. But these drawers are just, every single one, crammed up. But all needs a very good sort through. Anyway, that's that lot. There's my lathe there, just tucked up. But I'm going to have a sort out, because this cabinet is just really not really suitable for the right place. It's a bit of a pain, but there you go. So anyway, that's basically it. That's what's been going on in the background. Big tidy up. So I purchased all these tools, and we'll see how we go. Other than that, really, there's not a lot to report. It's mainly been just tidying up, moving stuff, bits and pieces around. So hopefully in the new year I'll have some news about what's happening next year, because hopefully I'll be trying to step it up a gear. And hope might be a bit more entertaining. We'll see about that one. Am I entertaining? Who knows? But either way, next year things are going to be moving on. hopefully next year we'll also be doing a bit of bit more travelling, and one of my other hobbies is photography, videography, and when we travel we'll be taking some photos, video, and they'll be going on my other channel, which is Videos Travels. I'll put a link to that in the bottom of this anyway, normally a link somewhere about, but between the two, WarGrade should be getting a bit of a boost with more work in the workshop, and we will see how we go. In the meantime, I hope you had a good Christmas and Merry New Year. Merry New Year? Happy New Year. That's what I meant to say.